Hello everyone. So this is our last session, and in this session we are going to learn one interesting story and the importance of food. So this story is actually from a poem. So first we will read that poem and then I will tell you a story. The poem name is Martin's Window. So Martin is a soldier. See. Here's an old story, it seems so funny. There was a window in Martin's tummy. Actually, by mistake, Martin was shot. Right in the stomach, it bled a lot. The wound slowly healed and was covered by skin. But the hole was still there, you could peep right in. Oh, what a chance for doctors to study what happens to the food inside the body. The story seems odd, but it is really true. The secret of Martin's stomach help us all, me and you. So this is a poem, and the story name is A Stomach with a Window. In the poem, you read about a soldier called Martin. In 1822, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. So this is the story of 1822 soldier Martin. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Dr. Beaumont. So Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin like the washer in a football. Press the skin and you could peep into Martin's stomach, means you can see inside the stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Then Dr. Beaumont just felt he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on this stomach? Can you imagine how much years that Dr. Beaumont spent on Martin's stomach? 1, 2, almost 9 years, and during this time Martin grew up and got married. So at that time scientists did not know how food was digested. Now we have learned that in stomach many digestive juices are there, they are mixed with the food and helps in digestion. But that time that scientists just didn't know about the digestion process. Or how does the liquid in the stomach help? That liquid means digestive juices. Or does it only help in making the food wet and soft, or does it also help in digestion? So many questions were there. So Dr. Beaumont took some liquid, that is digestive juices, out of the stomach. He actually wanted to see what would happen to a food kept in a glass filled with it. Means actually they are taking the digestive juices from the stomach. In that digestive juices, that food is mixed, and they just wanted to know the digestion process, that how that digestion process is happen there, or would it get digested on its own, means without digestive juices can food just digested on its own. So for this he did an experiment. So which experiment? With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juice from the stomach. At 8:30 am, he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of the juice. See, 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 ml of the juice. He kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach, that is about 30 to 31 degrees Celsius. And when he checked at 2 p.m., he just found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. Dissolved means what? The fishes or the piece of that fish just mixed with that digestive juice. So Dr. Beaumont tried this experiment with different food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach. Means juices are same, but difference is that juices are present in Martin's stomach and juices are present in the glass. Then he recorded his observations in a table. See the observation. How many food items are there? That unboiled milk, boiled milk, full boiled egg, half boiled egg, raw egg that is beaten and normal raw eggs. So in the stomach, how much Martin's just or how much digestive juices just digest that food. See, in the stomach, unboiled milk just digested within 2 hours and 15 minutes. And whatever the digestive juices are present in the glass, see the time, 4 hours 45 minutes means double time. See others, boiled milk in stomach takes 2 hours and in glass 4 hours 15 minutes. Full boiled egg 3 hours 30 minutes in stomach, 8 hours in the glass. Half boiled egg 3 hours and 6 hours 30 minutes in the glass. Again the raw egg, that beaten raw eggs are there, 2 hours in stomach whereas 4 hours 15 minutes in the glass. Raw egg, that in stomach 1 hour 30 minutes and in the glass 4 hours. So just see, not only digestive juices are playing their role, but our digestive system, our organs are also important in digestion of food. See, digestive juices are same, means same digestive juices are present in stomach and in glass. But see the digestion time. So what does our stomach do? Again Dr. Beaumont did many experiments and found out many secrets about digestion. So he found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. That, did you notice in that table? Just see the time. Just compare the time. So from that you can just understand that. So our stomach churns the food to digest it. Churns means what? Just making like a complex substance into simpler. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. Means according to your mood, according to your means habit, digestion is depend. He also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. Have you heard of anyone talking about acidity? Sometimes we just feel very like vomiting and all, that acidity. Especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. So why the acidity problem is there? Because the digestive juices are present in our stomachs are acidic in nature. So from that experiments that Dr. Beaumont become famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. What did you say? No, they did not shoot people in the stomach, nor did they wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach. Actually, they used other scientific ways to look inside our bodies. They did not shoot any people like Martins. Okay, they just used different ways to experiments. So, did you like the story of Martin? Or should we say the story of our own stomach? The Martin is just a example, but that means experiments or whatever the theory that explained by the Dr. Beaumont is actually the story of our own stomach. Understood? Or just did you enjoy this interesting story? Okay, now just imagine if you had been in place of Dr. Beaumont. Means now you are Dr. Beaumont. Now tell me, what experiments would you have done to find out the secrets of our stomach, like Beaumont did? They just they just took out the digestive juices and then do that. They did the experiments. He did the experiments. So if you are in the place of Dr. Beaumont, which experiment would you like to do? That you have to write your experiments. Understood? So I hope that you have enjoyed this story. Now the next point is about food. That good food, good health. So two pictures are there. First we will read about that. That Dr. Aparna has two patients. That both Rashmi and Kailash, that girl and boy, they both are patients of Dr. Aparna. Dr. Aparna talked to them to find out more about them. Like doctor are asking us that what happened, which food you have eaten and all. So just read what the doctor found. See about Rashmi. So Rashmi is 5 years old and she looks about 3 years old. Means whatever now I am reading that are actually the observations of Dr. Aparna. She is 5 years old but still she looks about 3 years old. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. Pot belly means what? That balloon like stomach. And she often falls sick. She always feels tired and cannot go to school regularly. She does not have the strength even to play. So that all observations about Rashmi. See the observation about the Kailash. The Kailash is 7 years old but he looks older than his age. Rashmi looks younger than his age but Kailash looks older than his age. His body is fat and flabby, so he has pain in his legs. He is not very active. He goes to school by bus and spend many hours watching TV. Now you tell me from this observation, can you tell me what happened with both, that with Rashmi and with Kailash? A girl which is 5 years old look like 3 years old. A boy which is 7 years old but look like 10 to 12 years old. What is the change or which thing is important in both cases? Yes, food. Okay, see why that happens with Rashmi, that she is 5 years old but look like 3 years, that she not getting enough food and that's why she has a very weak body. She is not getting a proper food. So she is lucky if she can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. So because of the amount of food that she is not getting in proper amount of food, and that's why her body is like this. But opposite to that, Kailash is just going by bus, then he is not doing any activity, he is not going for games and all, just sitting and that's why his body is fat, that chubby, flabby. And what about his food? So he does not like to eat home cooked food, means dal, rice, vegetables, roti. He don't want. He just want the chips, burgers, pizzas, soft drinks, butter, cheese, fast food. Correct? So that Dr. Aparna just measured the height and weight of both children and then she told them, so there is only one treatment for both your problems is proper food. That Rashmi needs a proper amount of food and Kailash need a proper food. Means Kailash just want that outside food, and that is the main problem. So from these cases we just observe that the food is very much important for us. Food gives us many nutrients. Nutrients means what? The substances that just help to our body to grow, to live, like that. So food is very much important. If we are not eating a proper amount of food, the our growth, there is a problem. We cannot get proper energy, we cannot protect our body from diseases. Then the food is very much important for immunity. Now the corona pandemic is there, and we are eating some tablets, some ayurvedic liquids are there. Why we are just taking that medicines and all? To increase our immunity. Why not we are eating pizzas, burgers to increase our immunity? Nowadays we are just eating healthy food to increase our immunity. Why? Because that food, it just gives us proper energy, proper immunity to fight against many diseases. So food is very much important, and that food should be balanced food. Balanced food means what? All kinds of vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses are we have to eat. Not only grains, not only fruits, not only vegetables, all the things are there, and that is a balanced diet. So when you don't eat enough food, we does not get enough energy to do our work. So we feel very dizzy, then weakness is there, our immune system is very weak. So for that, good food, proper food is important for our health. Understood the importance of food? Because food gives us energy. Because of food, our body just growing. Because of food, we can protect our body from diseases. Because from food we are getting many nutrients. If food is not a proper food, I am not saying only food, I am saying proper food, good food, balanced food, that gives us good health. Understood about this? Yes. And the last part of our story of our lesson is a proper food, which is every child's right. So in our country, many children are there, they are not getting a proper amount of food, like a Rashmi, like a Gomti. See Gomti, see that picture. So Gomti is 30 years old. I will read that passage. Gomti is 30 years old. Gomti works in the fields of a rich farmer. For all her hard work, she gets paid very little. So little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. Some months she does not get any work at all. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle. Gomti's children are weak with hunger and always sick. Few years ago, her husband died of hunger. Most rice grows in Kalahandi district. Rice is even sent to other states from here. Many times the rice that keeps lying in the godowns gets spoiled. In the same Kalahandi, there are many poor people like Gomti. Why do people die of hunger in such a place? So the story is about Gomti, which is a very sad story. And you are, means including me, we are very much lucky that we are getting proper amount of food on time. We are doing our lunch, dinner, but some people are there in our country still they just died because of hunger. And that's why this is my request to all, that please don't waste, don't throw food, because some people are there, they cannot just buy or they cannot eat that food. So we should save food, and we are so lucky. Because food is not there, they cannot get proper energy. If energy is not there, they cannot do their work. They are not doing their work, they cannot buy or they cannot get money to buy something. See the Gomti's picture. She is 30 years old, but see her body. Very weak, thin hands, thin legs. See her child, that is also weak. He is also weak because he is not getting proper food. This is only a one point, that is the proper food, which is every child's right. Every child's right means what? Many children are there in our country, but still they are not getting enough food to grow, to develop properly, and that's why they are weak and sick. So government just giving food and all to that children, but still some children are away from that. So their right, RIGHT, right means what? They must get enough food. That already we have learned about two children, that Kailash and Rashmi. The Kailash is there, that who does not like homemade food, and opposite to that Rashmi is there, that does not get homemade food. So there is a difference. Our condition is like Kailash, that food is there but we are not eating. But just think about Rashmi. She needs food but she cannot get that food. So just think about that. So like this we are just completed our lesson. Okay, still if you have any doubt you can ask. So from this story I just hope that you have understand the value of food. Understood? Now from this, just don't waste food. Just think about Rashmi and Gomti and just take care of you and your family. Thank you.